Yo, what's poppin', y'all? It's your girl Stacy, aka the Adventure Doll, here back with another video for you guys. Yes, I am so excited because to let you guys know that I am graduating. Yes, I am graduating and I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna be graduating and today's video will obviously be about not my graduation, not yet, but decorating a graduation cap, as you guys can tell in the title. So today's video will be about me decorating my cap. I just received it. I'm so happy. I'm so excited. You know, I've never ever had a graduation cap before, or had a graduation where they provide a cap. So I took it upon myself to order one in because it's a special moment for me, okay? So yes, so I don't even want to waste any time. Let's get into it. Okay, you know I'm crafty and all that. So this right here, I got my cap from Graduation Mall. Hold on, can you see it? I got my cap from Graduation Mall. You can also order on Amazon, but for me, Amazon would have took longer for some weird reason, so I ordered directly from the site. I will put their site in the description box. My gown is red. I'm graduating from Fanshawe College and their gown is red, so obviously the cap has to be red. So let me just take out the goodies. So this is my cap. I already opened the box, so I was too excited. This is my cap. Ooh, it's so cute. It is the year 2019. As you see, it comes with a little, I think they call a little tassel. Let me just try the song. Can y'all see me? Please don't watch my printer in the background. But is this how it's supposed to be? Like, it's not supposed to be like right on your head, right? Like, I've never wore a graduation cap. Even like for my PSW graduation, I never had a cap. Like, it was just always the gown, but I want a cap, okay? So this is how the cap looks. And yes, we're gonna decorate it because I'm excited. Like, I'm so excited, okay? So the dress I'll be wearing, I want to wear a red dress, but because I procrastinated, I waited last minute. So the dress I have that I'll be wearing to my graduation is gonna be gold. So the top of my graduation cap will be this gold, this little board I got from Michael's. I went on Pinterest and I absolutely loved some of the styles of how the girls made their graduation cap. So I got some, you know, some flowers. I don't know if it's gonna match what I'm wearing, but I just got these from the dollar store. I don't really know what I'm doing. I also have these letters because I plan on putting some type of quote. I preferably would like to put you know, something from the Bible, only because, you know, during my process I went through a lot. I've had a lot of doubters during my journey. Still have the doubters, you know, so I'm gonna use these letters. Hopefully they fit on my cap to write whatever. I'm not sure what quote from the Bible I'm gonna put yet, but I will put a quote. So I have my letters, which is from Michael's as well. My board from Michael's. Couple flowers from the dollar store. Okay, so let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. And Had a bit of technical difficulties, but here it is. This quote is from Jeremiah 29:11. God has a great plan for you. I totally believe that God has great things planned for my life. Have no doubt in my mind. I actually ran out of the capital A's, which is why that A is lowercase. But like I said, this is just for grad. I'm not allowed to wear this across the stage, but I could wear it after the fact. So I'm not too worried. Like I said, this is my cap. Let me see if I can try it on for y'all again. Oops. Can you imagine I had it on backwards? I added a little jewel there to hide the red. Where's my tassel? Where is it? My tassel here. Right here. And yeah, so can y'all see it? I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys, for tomorrow. I have to work tonight, as always. So I'm working overnight and then basically coming home and getting ready for my graduation. So tonight I'm going to be doing my makeup and my hair, have it in rollers, so that when I come home, it's only for me to be dressed or get dressed, and that's it. And obviously for sure that I will be taping the entire occasion. I'm gonna try to videotape as much as I can. I'm so happy to see my family are gonna be coming down to support me, my mom, my sister, and yeah, so definitely stay tuned because my graduation video will be coming up in, I don't know how much we can tape, how much we can videotape. I'm gonna try to capture as much as I can for you guys. I don't want to make it a big video, but I'm gonna try to capture the whole moment if I can. If I can't, don't worry about it. I won't worry about it. You'll definitely see the aftermath, me talking smack. So yeah, so I hope you guys like my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I should actually call myself the crafty babe or the crafty doll or something, because I do love like arts and crafts. Like I live for this stuff. It's my first time doing a graduation cap, like, you know, crafting it up. And I've always wanted to do one, but I've only graduated, what, 8 years ago. So this is my first graduation in 8 years. So I'll be graduating post-secondary for the second time. So I'm quite proud of myself, because like I said, I have a lot of doubters, a lot of people who said I wouldn't make it through, and I did. So can't wait to have those bragging rights, you know what I mean? I can't wait to get into that gown. When the time comes and not in a rush, I will see if I can tape, like, you know, my get ready, show you guys my dress. It is gold. I'm basically wearing all gold, so gold jewelry, gold shoes, gold dress, everything, which is why this is gold. So I'm gonna allow this to dry, and yeah, stay tuned, guys, because there will be more. To all the people who watch me, you know, thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate that. I just started this YouTube page, this YouTube channel, sorry. I just started this YouTube channel, and great things for the future, man. I truly believe that God has great plans for me. And sorry, I'm getting a little bit emotional. I strongly believe that God has great plans for me. I never doubt him. You know, when things don't work in my favor, I always feel like there's always another way. For those people who want to chase their dreams, there are plenty of ways. There are plenty of ways. Nothing's impossible in this world. You just have to go find another way. And yeah, God has great plans for me, and this is only the beginning. It's only the beginning. So yes, stay tuned. Hopefully I can get my graduation for you guys. But yeah, this is my crafty idea graduation cap video, and stay tuned. Bye, guys.